Hi there, Rack here again today. I'm coming to show you the next member of my collection. Everybody's favorite table flipper, Prowl. This is again the 2008 Universe mold. I believe it's shared with a few other folks. Notably Jazz. But let's go ahead and show off this figure a little bit. As you can see, it's a pretty good representation of G1 Prowl. Mine is quite dusty and a little bit yellowed on the doors. That's a problem TF Wiki mentions. The doors have a soft plastic that like to yellow. He sits on my shelf though, and he's an Autobot, so I don't really care. Let's get this guy transformed, and this is a little bit more complex than the last one we did at Acid Storm. And let's get going. First of all, let's remove the weapon. This weapon is pretty neat. It folds up. We'll come back to that. Okay. Now, I probably don't remember the exact sequence from the instruction book, but let's see what we can do. First thing I'm going to do, open up his back and flip his shoulder guns back. Take some fiddling to get in there. Oh, what's next? We can always flip the head around, underneath, and down. Now we'll be pulling that chest up a little as it seems. Okay. Straighten up these arms. Get them into position. Straighten up these legs. Again, into position. Oh, we're going to be folding the feet down. Yes. Feet down. And up, if I remember. Some bad boys in there. Yeah, we'll go ahead and peg those legs together. Okay. Pull that all the way out. And these are the things. These doors here. These doors here are finicky. A lot of people like to pull them off because they're simple ball joints. I mean, you can detach them and reattach them with absolutely no problem. We'll do one side like that, just to show off what a difference it makes. Okay, so we're gonna swing this shoulder up to the front, pull it around the back, open up the door all the way, fix. It's halfway done, I just got to put the pegs in correctly. Here. Get everything put in. And while it's still on, well, takes a little bit of effort to swing things around to get all the clearance you need. Well, damn. Let's put it out correctly then. go. Oh, come on now. Make sure that we are in properly. Go ahead and tab the hood into the top of the car into the hood. Peg everything down to where it's supposed to be. My hands are in the way. Prowl isn't in frame. And the last step, well, one of the last steps, rolling up the legs. Of course, like so many, no, I guess we need the doors out. You can see how often I screw with my Autobots. Okay, roll the legs up. We're coming all out of frame. Ooh, bumpers, roll the bumpers back. Looks about right. You just got to make sure the door lines up and push it in. Make sure that we got the back side of the door pegged into the leg. Oh no. Once we get these tabs right here set up, lined up, then we can push down the joint. Once we got it in there though, it'll help when it's not. There we go. And finally we'll take the weapon again, and there's a little spot in between his head and his chest. This thing will go down into, just like that. Well, backwards than that. And boom. Whoop. We now have Prowl in vehicle form. About as good as he holds together. Really rolls. Not a bad little thing. I got it because I like Prowl. I like him flipping tables, and I like a devious Autobot who doesn't play by the rules and is morally questionable. As you can tell, I'm an IDW fan. But this was Prowl, another simple little universe thing compared to what we're going to be getting into here in the videos to come. If you enjoyed this, stay tuned and I'll be bringing out more of my collection. Thanks and have a great day.